The Greenhouse Effect, a Nugget of Science by Marvin Codornigar. The greenhouse effect is an event that occurs when gases in the atmosphere of the Earth trap the heat of the sun in a natural way. This process makes Earth warmer than it would be without an atmosphere. It is naturally one of the things that makes Earth a comfortable place to live. The greenhouse effect can be illustrated using a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with glass walls and a glass roof. It is used to grow plants, such as vegetables and flowering ones. During the day, sunlight shines into the greenhouse and warms the plants and the air inside it. During the night, when it is colder outside, the greenhouse stays warmer inside because the glass walls and the glass roof prevent the heat from escaping. The greenhouse effect works much the same way on Earth. There are gases in the atmosphere that trap the heat from the sun just like the glass walls and glass roof of the greenhouse. These gases, like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane, are called greenhouse gases. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere and warms the surface of the Earth. During the night, the surface of the Earth cools naturally and releases heat back to space. Some of the heat is trapped on the surface of the Earth because the greenhouse gases had the ability to trap the heat. This normal amount of heat that is trapped keeps our Earth warm and cozy to live in. Human activities have affected the way the greenhouse effect is changing our Earth's temperature. Burning of fossil fuels and slash and burn farming are examples of these human activities. Burning fossil fuels that are used in factories and in driving cars and vehicles has caused the volume of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to increase significantly. In other countries, slash and burn farming also causes an increase in the volume of carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere. When trees are cut down in forests without replacing them with seedlings, the forests become unable to absorb the excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. As the volume of carbon dioxide builds up in the atmosphere, it traps more heat than what the Earth's surface naturally needs. The significantly high volume of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps the heat on the surface of the Earth, keeping the surface significantly hotter than normal. The Earth is experiencing significant warming up because of this increase in global temperature. This condition is what we call global warming. A Nugget of Science by Marvin Kador-Nigara. Thank you for watching. Please write your comment, click subscribe, click like, and click share.